in June 2020 as Indian and Chinese troops were locked in a deadly confrontation in the Galwan Valley. Another development may have been quietly unfolding beneath the surface. The United States now alleges that China conducted a covert nuclear explosive test on June 22, 2020, just days after the brutal June 15th clash at the line of actual control. The claim has been made by US Undersecretary of State for Arms Control and International Security Thomas DiNanno at the United Nations Disarmament Conference in Geneva. The timing has raised serious questions, especially from an Indian perspective. According to DiNanno, the US government is aware that China carried out nuclear explosive tests, including preparing tests with designated yields in the hundreds of tons. He specifically pointed to what he described as a yield-producing test on June 22, 2020. The technique allegedly used is known as decoupling. This involves detonating explosives inside large underground cavities to muffle seismic signals and reduce the chances of international detection. DiNanno argued that this allowed China to obscure its activities even as the world was grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic. If true, the method would raise concerns about compliance with global nuclear test ban commitments. The alleged test took place exactly 1 week after the June 15, 2020 Galwan Valley clash. At least 20 Indian soldiers were killed in hand-to-hand combat. China acknowledged casualties but did not disclose a full figure. It was the deadliest confrontation between the two countries in decades. While the US officials did not explicitly link the alleged nuclear test to the border violence, the overlap in timing cannot be ignored from India's standpoint. The Galwan clashes were part of broader 2020 and 2021 tensions across the line of actual control, marked by aggressive troop deployments and infrastructure buildups on both sides. If the allegation is accurate, it suggests that during one of the most sensitive military standoffs in recent years, Beijing may also have been advancing its nuclear capabilities. The allegation surfaced as the New START treaty between the United States and Russia expired on February 5, 2026. While Russian President Vladimir Putin proposed extending the treaty for 1 year, US President Donald Trump rejected the proposal, saying he wanted a new disarmament agreement. DiNanno defended the US decision not to extend New START. He said the treaty signed in 2010 no longer reflects the realities of 2026. According to him, one nuclear power is expanding its arsenal at a pace not seen in over half a century, and another continues to develop a wide range of nuclear systems outside the treaty's limits. He was referring to China and Russia. He also pointed out that while almost all deployed US nuclear forces were subject to New START, only a fraction of Russia's stockpile was covered and no Chinese nuclear weapons were included at all. He stated that the United States can now take steps to strengthen deterrence for the American people and its allies. The allegation of a covert Chinese nuclear test during the week of the Galwan clashes adds a new dimension to an already tense chapter in India-China relations. It also comes at a time when global arms control frameworks are weakening and the last major US-Russia nuclear treaty has lapsed. If proven, the claim could have serious implications not just for regional stability in Asia but for the future of global nuclear deterrence.